Ready to create stunning visuals from scratch? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through designing your very own custom project using the Luma-Loft Creative Design Studio. To kick things off, head to the Tools menu, then select the Creative Design Studio to open a brand new workspace for your design. Next up, import your background image. Simply drag and drop, or click to upload, into the upload area. Now, fine-tune that image by using crop insets, and adjust the zoom and aspect ratio sliders. Pick an ellipse shape for your clipped area if you want to control how your image fits inside the space. Or, use the rectangle tool to further customize shapes, tweak the corner radius, and set your preferred aspect ratio. Zoom in with the slider to target those fine details as you refine the layout. For this sample project, we're using the circle clip shape to get that classic, balanced look. Now, go into the Crop and Adjust panel to set your aspect ratio. If you want to rotate, click clockwise or anti-clockwise, or mirror horizontally and vertically. Zoom in and move or resize your flag image wherever you like on the canvas. Slide the corner radius all the way up for a perfect circular crop. When you're happy with the composition, apply the crop to commit your changes and update the background. Let's add a layer. Bring in a new element, like a border ring. Select your layer, go to the Shapes menu, pick a circle or another shape, then choose a style that fits your vision, solid ring, dashed, or more. Use the thickness and size sliders to get your border just right. Switch on design settings with a toggle, and go ahead, layer on more elements for added creativity. Take your border further, pick decorative styles, select the element shape like dots or stars. Size them up or down for extra visual flair. Decide how accents follow your borders, and choose the exact border to align them to. Put your own spin on it, adjust the size and number of decorative elements for patterns that pop. Personalize your style. Pick colors, then enter a specific color code or tweak to taste for the perfect palette. Toggle advanced settings as needed for more effects. Keep adding elements to make your design come alive. Try new shapes by choosing from simple icons like shields or vector graphics to extend your theme. Fine-tune layout. Slide vertical position to place every element exactly where you want it. Change up design effects using toggles, or just keep layering elements for more depth in your artwork. Add some text, choose curved or straight options, then type your message in the provided text box. Pick the perfect font by choosing from styles like Montserrat or Open Sans. Adjust the font weight for semi-bold or extra bold effects. Dial in font size using the handy slider. Keep improving your visuals, add more text, select which layer to use, then slide to perfect vertical alignment. Fine-tune using the Position-Y slider for precision text placement and balance. Need edits? Update text content and styles at any time to match your message. Switch font weights like semi-bold to extra bold for emphasis where you need it. Adjust size sliders again to make your text hierarchy clear and easy to read. Select any text layer or font fields for quick, consistent edits as you finalize your look. Keep building. Add new shapes or decorations to enhance your unique design even more. At any point, revisit and update any element, like adjusting star icons, to widen your creative impact. Play with numeric controls and shift count or rotation sliders for perfect orientation and balance. Once you've arranged decorative shapes, fine-tune the number for a balanced layout. To adjust a different layer, just click on it. Change the shape type and select elements such as stars to emphasize important parts of your design. Continue tweaking size and radius until everything looks spot on. Pick your layer and move it up or down the appearance order to control which element is on top. Refine element position with the position-wise slider for pixel-perfect arrangement. Once your design is to your liking, finalize your artwork and select your generated files to download or review. Don't forget to save your project. Send your finished design to other tools for extra editing or enhancement. Try out different styles, swap visual themes, and instantly apply the style you love for your final presentation. Download your styled files, and get them ready to share or use anywhere you like. If you need further enhancements, send your project to another tool for more advanced adjustments. When you're proud of your work, hit share to showcase your design to the community and even earn reward points. Need changes? Go back to editing mode, pick any layer to refresh the live preview, swap positions, or resize everything until you're totally satisfied. If you want, switch to the vector layer to adjust scale for high precision customization. Control the background layer and flip the convert to grayscale option whenever you need a black and white style. Experiment with a finish. Browse style options for creative results. Use the preview sliders for a before and after look. Then, apply your chosen style programmatically. Just click to apply your favorite aesthetic. Pick from special finish types, use for your project, and commit the style for final artwork. Share your completed project, collect reward points, and don't forget to download your styled design for sharing or printing. You've just learned how to craft custom designs from the ground up using Luma-Loft. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe for more creative guides, and let me know in the comments what you'll design next. Happy creating!